Hi everyone, welcome to Meera Coach. Today we will learn what is a class, why we need a class, and its importance. So before understanding what a class is, let's first understand why we actually need a class. Imagine a furniture company wants to manufacture a chairs. They don't immediately start making the chairs. The first thing they create is a blueprint or a design. So this blueprint contains all the information such as number of legs, height, width, material, color, weight, capacity the chair can support. In simple words, a blueprint is nothing but a plan or a design that tells us how the chair should look before it is actually built. Similarly, in Java, before creating anything, we first create a class. A class acts as a blueprint of a real world entity. Then why blueprint required? So now imagine there is no blueprint. One worker may create a chair with the three legs. Another worker may make it much taller. Someone else may use the plastic while another uses wood. As a result, every chair will be different. This creates the inconsistency, confusion, and there will be no standard design. A blueprint solves this problem. It ensures that every chair follows the same design, dimension, and the quality. Similarly, in Java, a class provides the standard structure, so every object created from that class follows the same design. Then what is a class? So we can define the class as a blueprint or a template of the real world entity. It has a two things. So first one is a property and second one is a behavior. So properties is also called as a data or a attributes. Behaviors is also called as a methods or a action. So for a chair, properties include color, material, number of legs, height, and behaviors is nothing but actions that allow someone to sit. It can be moved from one place to another and it can be folded. So the same idea is represented in the Java. Here variables. So here I have created the class called as a chair. Here we have a variables like color, material and number of legs. This represents the properties. And sit, move, these are the methods. It represents the behavior. So this class is only defining the structure. We are not creating an actual chair here. So we are simply describing what chair should have. Then why the class is important? So classes helps us to organize our code. Instead of writing everything in one file, we divide the program into multiple classes. This makes the code cleaner and easier to understand. And second one is it keeps the related data and the methods together. A class, a class keeps related properties and the behaviors in one place. For example, everything related to chair stays inside the chair class. So then next, reuse the same design multiple times. Once we create a class, we don't need to redesign it again and again. The same blueprint can be reused whenever required. It makes the programs easier to maintain and understand. If tomorrow we need to make the change, we modify the class once. The change is reflected wherever that the class is used. This makes the program easier to maintain, understand and extend. So in this video we understood why we need a class, what is a class and what is its importance. So in the next video we will understand how to create the class syntax, class naming convention, and we'll be creating our first entity class. So follow Meera codes. Thank you.